Hello, everyone. Welcome to Court with Krissy. Here are 4 court shorts you probably didn't catch, and my favorite, it's first. Imagine that home for the holidays. I bet the cops will be called. I hope you like it. Court with Krissy is now in session.
All right. Next, we're going to be with 25-1577. That is Reynaldo Lopez, Nora Lopez versus Antonio Mendieta Jr. and Lisa Ross. So who do I have here on behalf of our plaintiff Lopez and Lopez? Anyone? Do we have anyone here for cause 25-1577, Reynaldo Lopez and Nora Lopez versus Antonio Mendieta Jr. and Lisa Ross?
Yeah, this is Mr. Reynaldo Lopez.
Oh, good morning. Thank you, Mr. Lopez. All right. Do I have someone here on behalf of Antonio Mendieta Jr.?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Are y'all in the same camera?
I'm here too.
Oh my God.
This is Nora Lopez.
Hello. Hello,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, everyone's yelling. All right, I got.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I did, Miss Lopez. I can hear you.
Okay. All right. I'm the one that filed the eviction notice. My brother's a homeowner. I'm the tenant.
Mr. Mendieta,
Yes.
is the gentleman next to you? Who is that?
He's the homeowner.
That's Mr.
What
Lopez.
do you can't see me?
Yes, ma'am. He's a homeowner, and the person speaking, Nora, she's just the tenant.
He's not
No, I am the tenant. What do you mean I'm just a tenant?
Yeah, that.
You're just a squatter. I'm coming out there because I don't see myself on the.
Do y'all all live in the same household? Is that why I'm getting?
Yes.
That's
We
why
do,
I'm confusing things.
Do you see
You see
them?
why the judge was confused because the plaintiff and the defendant are in the same camera together. That's why I was lost. Okay. Now who is this person?
Okay, I don't see you.
Who is that woman, Mr. Mendieta?
That's the woman that filed the eviction,
Is
not
that
the not the
Lopez?
owner. That's Miss Lopez. She's the one who filed the eviction, but she's not the owner.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can, Miss Lopez.
I don't see you.
That's because you're not using your camera. You're just using the phone. If you've got to be looking on Zoom. Oh, okay.
Ma'am, she's not.
Okay, well, I don't know how to do it.
Here's my
I don't know how to
confusion.
do it. They know how to do it. They think they got everything going on over there.
Miss Lopez, if you just want to go stand next to your brother and see on camera, I can do the whole thing that way. You don't have to.
Okay.
But then
I don't want to be standing by them. I don't want to be out there with them.
All right, then go
I
back
want
in
to
the
be
house.
by them.
Go back in the house.
Okay, I'm in the house. I'm in my room.
Echo. Go. That's bad.
I'm staying away from them like I'm supposed to. They're not staying away from me like they're supposed to.
Okay.
He's already put me in jail twice. He assaulted me
Lopez.
numerous times, verbally
Miss
assaulted
Lopez.
me. He's
Miss Lopez, I'm afraid we've had to mute you. I want to give you some information, and I want to take your information and Mr. Lopez's as well. All right? Mr. Lopez,
Yes.
let's begin with you.
Okay, ma'am.
Did you file the petition for eviction?
Did I file for it?
Correct.
No.
You did not file the petition.
No. My sister did.
Okay.
And my sister is not a tenant. She just lives in my house.
Mr. Lopez, you're the titled owner of the home,
Yes.
and you did not file to evict anyone.
No.
Okay. Ms. Lopez, I'm going to unmute you now. On your phone, if you'll press *6, then I'll be able to hear you. Mr. Lopez, while we're getting your sister to unmute, does your sister have any ownership interest? Oh, are you Ms. Lopez?
All right.
Good morning, Ms. Lopez. All right.
Good morning.
Are you an owner of the property?
No, my brother is. I've been living here since 2001.
Okay, Ms.
It's my brother.
Lopez, I appreciate that. Your brother, who does own the property, says that he does not want to evict anyone.
No, the thing is that I picked up assault charges on them. Actually, he assaulted me, and I went to jail. When I got out of jail, I went to the hospital for he stomped on my toes, and they were filming it, and I pushed him out the way, and then he stomped on him again. He broke my toes. I got hospital records of me going to the hospital both the times that he tried to say I assaulted him. He bit his lip and rubbed blood on his face. And then he's been breaking into the house. He's been stealing all kinds of stuff. I mean, he just needs to go. I mean, he don't pay rent. It's been 7 months. He ain't paying a penny.
I
Oh,
appreciate
you
that.
guys
Ms.
breaking it
Lopez,
down. He's got his ladder over there where he
Okay.
jumps over the fence and gets in the house. And my brother lets him get away with whatever he wants to do. And that's
sounds
not,
like you might want to move yourself, but your brother.
but
who
I
owns
don't
the
gotta move
property-
right now. I don't
Mr.
have to move
Lopez?
because this didn't start until they
Mr.
moved
Lopez,
in.
we're going to non-suit the case because you've told me you don't wish to proceed with an eviction. In fact, you didn't even file the lawsuit, correct?
Oh, he's saying thank you. So you're gonna continue to shoot the finger at me and call me?
Case
bitch and all
dismissed
that?
by the plaintiff.
No,
All
no,
parties
no,
are
no.
excused. Thank you. Have a good day.
The judge and the lawyer told me to file an eviction.
Ms. Lopez, please contact legal aid about your rights as a tenant in your brother's
Yeah,
property.
I did.
Okay.
And he's already
Your
assaulted
brother-
me. I got adult protective
Mr.
services are involved.
Lopez, Mr. Mendieta, you're all excused. Ms. Lopez, this case is being dismissed. The owner of the property has indicated that he did not file
Case
the
is being
petition
dismissed?
and
What are
he
you
does not
talking
want to
about?
pursue.
So he can continue to
Thank
assault
you, Your
me?
Honor.
Thank you. All parties are excused.
Thank you.
Okay, we're gonna go to the next matter. Thank y'all.
Hi, Mr. Pete, how are you?
I love myself.
Is he on my docket?
I can't help myself.
Mr. Pete, you're not on my docket today. How can I help you? We can't hear. Mr. Pete,
Yeah.
you are not on my docket today. How can we help you?
Oh, I'm sorry. Now I can hear you.
You are not on our docket today. Is there anything we can help you with?
Excuse me, Yana. I was just coming by to say hello to you.
Oh, hello.
To let you know I'm doing a lot better now.
I'm glad to hear that,
Yeah.
okay? You keep doing a lot better, okay? Stay out of trouble.
Oh yeah. I'm staying away from LPD as far as I possibly can.
Well, not really, because they're here. I did, I heard it. Some of them are in plain clothes today.
Yeah.
Okay, so, but it's not about you staying away from LPD, it's about you being,
I forgot to
in good behavior.
remind you real quick. I might be in front of you again in January because I'm still I still got a assault on an officer.
Okay,
Case pending.
let me start, okay, sounds good, we will see you then, okay, sir?
And I'm
Oh,
innocent.
Jesus, okay, all right, we will note
I
that,
am innocent.
all right, you talk to your attorney, sir.
Power to the people. I got my Black Panther jacket on.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Power to the people. And we'll buy you lunch one day.
You're never gonna buy me lunch, just so we're clear, okay?
Power to the people, brother.
Thank you.
Oh, man.
Okay, back on the record.
Case number 25S00139 FY, People State of Michigan versus Jada Kennedy Bibbs.
Bernie Rose on behalf of the people. There's always on behalf of Jada Kennedy.
All right. And Ms. Kennedy Bibbs, you're also here for probation violation hearing on receiving and concealing stolen property, $200 or more, but less than $1,000. All right. So of course, that's I believe a 1-year misdemeanor maximum penalty here on violation could be that. You have a right to have a full hearing with counsel representing you. All right. And at that hearing, the burden of proving the violation is on the prosecution. They have to prove it by a preponderance of the evidence, meaning they have to prove more likely than not you're in violation in the manner claimed. So if we have a hearing and we find you guilty, or if you waive the hearing to plead guilty, that's when the penalty comes into place. So you understand all that. As of October 28th, 2025, it was alleged you failed to complete 16 hours community service, failed to complete decision-making class, and failed to pay balance of fines and costs, currently owing $375. So how would you like to proceed on that, Mr. Morris?
Well, according to probate, they actually recommended she get an adjournment for 30 days so she can pay that balance and complete the class, because she did turn for community service center.
Well, why didn't she pay the 300 and some
She
dollars?
paid $200 today. She actually, in terms of that, $375. Is there anything she can do at this point to reduce that ownership?
Listen. No.
I'm just asking.
A note here. This is what this says. Defendant is an influencer per her own Instagram. She has 7 streams of income. And on October 13th, posted a video of herself saying she has Chanel shoes, Rolex watch, Balenciaga sunglasses, Louis Vuitton earrings, and a Dior handbag, but says she's having financial hardship. Stated today she has no knowledge of the videos.
Well, Your Honor, I was not aware of that, so I would just say that, at this.
She better get this done, or she can be looking like what this guy did.
We get that.
10 days.
So she could take care of this.
Can she what?
Get a 30-day adjournment so she can do the.
She better get it done, ma'am. I'm only giving you just one time. I am not playing. All right, so we'll give her, they want 30 days for her to do what she needs to do, pay the money. So she did provide proof on November 18th. What takes so long to get this community service done?
My community service been done since August. I just didn't turn it in on court work because I wasn't familiar that I had to turn it in. I honestly thought that I just.
Well, how would we know you did it if you didn't turn it in?
I just thought I'd wait till the end of it and just, when she called me and said, is everything done?
And you only got, you know what, $375 is like, that won't buy you none of those things you claim to have. Because it's not that much money compared to all that. So you shouldn't be having any trouble getting that. So we can close this thing out. All right, Justin, maybe we have a date, please.
How long? 30 days?
Yeah, that's what they asked for. I don't know why she needs that long. But we'll give it to her.
Court's available December 19th at 9 a.m.
I can be here, Your Honor.
Okay, December 19th it is, 9 o'clock. All right, I'm gonna make it $1,000 personal bond here. And is she pleading guilty though? To not doing the yeah, they asking to adjourn the whole thing.
Not pleading guilty, Your Honor, because I did everything besides pay the money.
Well, the money is a violation too. You gotta do everything. Every single thing needs to be done, Ms. Bibbs, Kennedy Bibbs, so we can just dismiss this. But I'll adjourn it and see. We'll see.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ready on the next matter.
Good morning. You are Yashindi Gadlin?
Yes, sir, I am.
All right, Mr. Gadlin, you appear in custody by Zoom this morning, having been arrested on probable cause by the Cockville Police Department, their case number 25-1556 for the offenses of criminal threat, battery on law enforcement officer, and interference with law enforcement officer. I have found probable cause to support your arrest. When you're not in jail, Mr. Gadlin, are you employed?
Yes, I am. I'm currently employed right now, and I'm going to Fort County Mental Health for evaluations and stuff.
Okay. Now I note that you have a case pending before Judge Gossard, that being MGI, well, it looks like multiple cases pending before Judge Gossard. MGI 25 CR 332, MGI 25 CR 159, and MGI 25 CR 21. And you were out on a bond of 20,000 cash surety with supervision to cover all those cases with a next court date of December 2nd at 1:30. Your bond is going to be suspended in those matters. You'll be held in custody until you appear in front of Judge Gossard on December the 2nd at 1:30.
I have a question.
Sure, go for it.
My charges on the thing are showing that I know what you have, Your Honor. I'm not trying to overstep you what you have, but my charges are showing that on the computer that it says I have criminal threat and LEO interference unknown. So I'm not understanding. Every time I come to the courtroom, there's more charges being added.
Well, right now there's no charges. These are the offenses for which you were arrested. You've not been formally charged with anything yet. You'll find that out at a later date. But I have found probable cause to support your arrest for criminal threat, for a battery on law enforcement officer that is having physical contact with law enforcement, and then interfering with law enforcement where you're alleged to have resisted arrest.
Okay, now, Mr. Sir, I am currently employed as me being a felon.
it's hard for me to find employment.
I have no
It's very,
doubt.
very hard. And the fact of like last time I was in here, I lost my job. I just got it back. I mean, Thanksgiving's around the corner. I'm not the person on my case. The person on my case has been calling up here to try to talk to the defense, and I don't understand why it's being such a problem with it getting resolved, because the victim on my case is what I'm saying is my wife. You know what I'm saying? And long story short, she's being told that she cannot come up here and talk to anybody about the case because she wasn't trying to push charges. She wasn't trying to do none of that. She was just trying to leave the situation, and the officers were pretty much making her. Pretty much the evidence that the DA has, Your Honor, is old evidence. Like it's from a year ago.
Let me stop you, Mr. Gadlin. This is from an incident that occurred yesterday.
Yes, I know.
This isn't from. These aren't allegations that are alleged to have occurred a year ago.
Yes, I agree.
I need to be quiet and listen to me for a moment. So I have no control over what the alleged victim, and I don't think you all are married yet. I think she had contacted the court to schedule a wedding. But she's free to contact the county attorney's office regarding this case and the potential charges, and the county attorney's office is free to take that information she provides and make a charging decision they feel is appropriate, whether that be to follow these charges you're currently facing or file no charges at all. I would note, however, that I think only one of the 3 offenses for which you were arrested, the victim is Miss Roig. The other 2 are law enforcement. Yes. So even if the state were to agree with your assessment and were to be contacted by Miss Roig, and she indicate that she didn't want to press charges, that does not do away with the other offenses that you were arrested, which are, and you need to be quiet and listen, which are battery law enforcement and interference with law enforcement. I'd also note that even if you think these charges are quote unquote bogus, you still have 3 other cases pending facing very serious charges. So I say all that to say, Mr. Gadlin, I understand your position that being a felon, it makes it hard to find employment, and you have one now that is willing to work with you. But the fact of the matter is, you were already out on a $20,000 cash surety bond of supervision on 3 cases, one of which is drug related. The other one is 3 counts of aggravated assault, level 7 person felonies, 2 counts of criminal threat, level 9 person felonies, and criminal damage to property. And another case is distribution of drugs and marijuana and some traffic infractions. And so you got yourself in a position to be arrested on new offenses while you had 3 serious cases already pending.
Yes.
So your bond is going to be suspended. You'll be in custody until you appear in front of Judge Gossard on December 2nd at 1:30.
I'm trying to figure out what suspended means.
It means you're going to stay in jail until you appear in front of Judge Gossard.
So does the suspended mean revoked?
It is not. If Judge Gossard on December 2nd wants to go ahead and lift the suspension and release you from custody on that bond, he's free to do that, free to do so. Okay. If he believes that revoking your bond is appropriate at that time, he can do that as well. But I am suspending your bond, which means you have to stay in jail until you appear in front of Judge Gossard, where he can address this violation with you. We're going to set your new case for a formal first appearance. You need to be quiet and listen, Mr. Gadlin. We're going to set this new case for a formal first appearance. I'm going to set it also on December 2nd at 1:30. Because you're being held with your bond suspended, we can just have the first appearance on this unfiled case take place with your other 3 matters on December 2nd at 1:30.
How do I get assault on LEO if I'm handcuffed? How does that work? How do I assault an officer if I'm handcuffed and detained?
The deputy can give you an application and an affidavit for court-appointed counsel. If you want the court to appoint you an attorney on this new case,
I got an attorney.
You do on the existing case, not this new one. If you want an attorney appointed on this new one, fill out the paperwork. If you continue to qualify, we'll appoint an attorney for you, Mr. Gadlin. We'll note for the record, Mr. Gadlin, hang on, Mr. Kuba. We'll note for the record that Mr. Gadlin left the court proceeding before we're done addressing him. I just want to reflect it for the record, as this is by Zoom. His bond is suspended next court date, December 2nd at 1:30, and we'll have the notes reflect his leaving as well.
Your Honor, I would request no contact with the victim in the case.
That will be ordered, as
Or
well as
witnesses.
as well as a Lori Parker. Yes, and the minor children.